Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? This is our Amazon review channel where we actually look at random stuff that we buy on Amazon, go over the purchase, and then we go over the product itself. So today we are going to review this Kamiler, I don't know if you pronounce that right, 7-drawer dresser. Reasons that we came up with this option as opposed to other ones was the price. Anything cheaper than this was just ugly, low quality stuff that we didn't want, and anything that was more expensive than this was just way too pricey. We're talking about $200-$300 for anything that was metal. The one thing I can tell you is to look at the dimensions for this to make sure what you need it for is actually going to fit, because the pictures are a little bit deceiving. It is a little bit smaller than it looks. This thing's 30.9 inches tall, 31.5 inches wide, and then you can see the dimensions of the boxes, which is cool because some of the other drawers that we were looking at didn't necessarily give specific dimensions, so that was a big plus with us when we looked at this. So there you go, you got the dimensions. There's other variations of similar products from this manufacturer. So let's go through some of the reviews that people said. So I always like to hit the 1-star reviews. I'm sure you guys do that too, just to see what negative comments were. So let's see. This guy says the Allen wrench that came with it was cheap and it stripped itself before it's halfway done. This guy might not have been using it right. We had no problem with the Allen wrench. There are the directions, you got to pay attention to them, because some of these things you can flip around real easily on some of the rails. But if you just pay attention to the orientation of them, it's not too bad. There's a couple times where we put some things on backwards, but we just took it apart and put it back together again. So you can kind of see in the video that comes after this, when we assemble it, how to put it together right. This person said everything was cheap and it was all broken when it came. Everything was put together. It was all secured in plastic bags when we got it, so we didn't have any problems with that. So the only downsides really for this thing was it is a little bit small, and it is a little bit pricey for the material. I mean, it's cloth and just some thin metal and wood stuff. So this isn't heavy duty by any stretch of the imagination. If you got young kids that like to climb and crawl and stuff, I wouldn't recommend this because they'll probably destroy this thing. Our kids are a little bit older and they tend to leave things alone for right now. But if this is just something that's going to sit in a corner and just be a place for you to keep some stuff a little bit more organized, I recommend it. It does the trick for us. So hope you enjoy the video. It's us getting it, unboxing it, putting it together, and then putting it in the corner and putting stuff in it. Got some really nice music to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you like this video, please leave some comments, maybe some other stuff that you might want to see us review, and also subscribe so we can post some more of these cool videos.